2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on it today for you guys is still got the stock converters, got less than 1,000 miles on it. And then the customer brought it in and he ordered a kit from Corsa that we just installed for him, a dual system. And he says this system is guaranteed not to drone. So we will see. We'll see how she sounds. And it comes out to 5-inch tips, massive tips right there. One here and one here. Stainless steel system. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Go ahead. To be that loud. There's the Corsa system right there. That's the part number 21035. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2015 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty Hemi. Still got the stock converters right there and somewhere over there. There it is right there. Then it's widened to a single 3-inch. Then we did a Flowmaster 3-inch muffler, inlet and outlet, 3-inch tailpipe, and a 5-inch black tip. Right there. There it is. There it is. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. It's the Big Horn edition. Massive truck. That is beast mode all the way. Super loud. Ram 2500 heavy duty, 5.7 liter. Just a beast of a truck. Look at that. That's the tailpipe we took off. That's the muffler we took off. Give it gas. '19 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic Edition. Beautiful orange color, Hemi. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it widens into a single 3-inch. Then we did another 3-inch all the way back into his tailpipes, which are 2 1/4. So basically we did a muffler delete right there. And then we left his stock tips and tailpipes. Right there and right there. Still got the resonators on it. Right there and right there. That's the stock muffler we took off of it. Big boy. Huge! We'll let you guys hear in a minute. Much better. Dodge Ram 1500, muffler delete. 2015 Dodge Ram 1500. Earlier in the year we put a super tent on it and it wasn't loud enough for him, so he brought it back and we cut the super tent off and put a Y pipe in its place up there. Still got all the stock converters, so you don't have to take the converters to make it loud. 3-inch system into a 3-inch to 2.5 tip Y pipe right there. Then we did 2 new tailpipes on it earlier in the year and black tips on each side, right there and right there. And there's the duals on it. There's that Y pipe we just put on, right there. We wanted it louder, so it's the big horn edition. It'll sound a lot better, a lot louder. That's the super tent we just cut off. Big horn edition. What's going on, buddy? How are you? Let you guys hear it on the inside. There's some nice wheels on it.
Inside the Dodge truck.
2017 Dodge Ram 1500, or just Ram, no more Dodge. 5.7 liter Hemi. It had this, we did this dual job on it. Single in, dual out MagnaFlow about, I want to say 6 months ago. And it came in with a 3-inch right there, as you guys can see. Then the customer came in and he wants it true dualed. So that's what we done. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then we true dualed it 2.5 all the way back into his 2.5 tailpipes. As you guys can see, into 4-inch tips right there and right there, rolled edge. And you guys wanted no X pipe, nothing. There you go. So here's true duals all the way. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Just what it looks like out the back. Right there. So before he said it was loud, but it was just a muffled sound. Now it's gonna be loud. You guys tell us in the comments what you guys think. Much better. made the wax in my ears itch. Made my ear itch is so loud. Oh man, it sounds real good. Oh, I love it. Hemi, Hemi, Hemi. Oh, this helps the blood flow in my body. It's still here. Look how far he is. Love it.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel